Hey, hi, good evening. My name is Ravi Kumar, and this project is an auto saving investment calculation system built as a part of this hackathon. So here, the idea is simple. We just convert the everyday expenses into the simple saving automatically. Actually, apply some time-based financial rules, and then saw how these savings grow over time using investment options like index and funds and the NPS. Okay, here I'll just show you like a simple I basically followed a simple layer architecture. Like we have a controllers, then we have services, and this model. Everything is right now we are taking a in memory for this MVP. Since the goal was to basically more focus on the business logic rather than the infrastructure. The main flow is like expense passing is there, and then rule processing, and then we have a invest calculations is there. Okay, so now I'll just show the passing and here the first and here the parsing we have the endpoint as a parse. Okay, so here like also the controller we have a parse the endpoint. So here we have okay, so I'll pass it basically here, so I'll just hit the I started here, so we can see the amount 250, the ceiling amount is 300, and the remnant we have a 50. Okay, oh, sorry. Then I'll just take another. We have a ceiling amount 620, then ceiling amount is 700. That's the nearest 100 is 700, and the remnant is 80. Okay, so now after this, have applied basically the QPK rules where we have where it is. So main core rule in survey we have a QP and K. So I'll just give a just a brief idea. Let's say we have a transactions 250 on 12th of October. Okay, so rounded on next 100, it's become now 300. Okay, the remnant is 50. So 300 minus 250, that is the 50. Now here the Q rule override. So what Q rule says, suppose there is a Q rule active in July that says during this period, saving should be fixed to zero. So transactions basically in July, now it becomes zero. So transaction outside July, no change. So now Q always override the saving account. The similarly, we have a P rules where we are doing the add extra. So just let's say original remaining is 50. Also we are adding the extra 25. It becomes a 75. Now again we'll move to the like K rule. Basically the Q overrides, then P adds and K groups, and they are always applied in that order. That's a main thing that I have to keep in mind. Okay, so here K period equal to March to November, saving in that window, that is July and October. That's now it becomes 75. If I'll hit the URL, this is the yeah in the filter case. So here like we have it 250 300 remnant. Okay, let's say hit the URL. So here we can see the calculations that is amount 75 and amount 145 that's we have calculated, so it's coming correctly actually. Okay, so basically now we will see the endpoint as another endpoint that is index fund. Using the group shaping, I calculated long-term index fund returns basically. So this uses a fixed annual return rate of that was 14.49 compounded annually, and I also adjust the final value for the inflation. So just I'll hit this URL again. So I'll just see yeah, final value and the real value, that's we can see here the index value as per the like whatever that was asked. So I calculated based on that. Then another endpoints that I have calculated, that was the NPS. So NPS now basically which includes the investment caps, tax benefit, and inflation adjusted returns. This reflects a more realistic retirement investment scenario. So again I hit the, so it becomes now final value, invested amount, tax benefit, and real values are there. And also we have a validation, like before processing transaction can be validated. This endpoint basically separates valid and invalid transaction, catching issue like duplicate timestamps and negative amounts are there. So we have a validate mix and valid and valid and non-valid is there. So okay, so it will segregate like valid transaction and valid transactions here. I'll see the valid transactions here. So I just gave the result of the valid transaction. So we have valid transactions here, all invalid transactions. So as I enter as invalid transaction, so amount must be greater than zero, and so these are the basically the things are. So yeah, the application is fully Dockerized and runs on port 5477 as a required. Anyone can run it a single Docker command. So basically, this solution focuses on correctness, clarity, and extensibility. It can be easily extended with the persistence, performance optimization, and additional investment strategy here. So like yeah, that is done from my end. Anything I need to solve? So we have this just overall flow. Yeah, yeah, that is done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pardon.